In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up expense tracking on Expensify. We'll walk through capturing a receipt and creating a clean, well-documented expense that's ready for reporting and, if needed, reimbursement. Start by opening Expensify and heading to the home screen. From there, go to the expense area. This is your workspace for adding new expenses and reviewing ones you've already created. To bring in a receipt image, choose Scan. You can upload files from your computer or simply drag and drop them into the window. Use clear, well-lit images or a single PDF if it's multiple pages. This helps the system read the details accurately. For this demonstration, we'll switch to a manual entry so you can see each field and know exactly what matters when a receipt isn't available or you want full control over the details. Select Manual. Enter the total amount for the purchase. Double-check decimals and verify taxes are included or excluded according to your company's policy. Next, choose the correct currency. If you made the purchase while traveling, pick the currency you paid in so exchange rates are handled properly. When that looks right, continue by selecting Next. Add a clear description. Think of this as the short story of the expense, what it was for, who it was for, or the context you'll want later. Keep it specific but concise. Save your description. Now, type the merchant name exactly as it appears on the receipt so searching and reporting are consistent. Save the merchant. Choose the category that best matches the spend, such as meals, travel, or office supplies. This powers accurate budgets and reports, so align it with your team's chart of accounts or guidelines. If this was paid out of pocket and you expect to be paid back, mark it reimbursable. Leave it off if the charge was on a company card and won't be reimbursed. Next, assign the expense to a report. Reports group related expenses by trip, project, or month, so they're easy to submit and approve. Select the highlighted report shown, making sure it matches where this expense belongs. To finish, select Create Expense. That's it. The expense is now saved with the amount, currency, description, merchant category, reimbursement status, and report assignment all set. You can return to the expense area anytime to review or edit details before submission. Repeat these steps for additional receipts, and remember you can always start with Scan for quick uploads or use Manual when you need precise control. This workflow keeps your records clean, your reports organized, and your reimbursements moving smoothly.